We're here today to show you a short video on the DHT90, a demolition hand tool commonly known by everybody that uses it as the 90. This tool was built by a demolition contractor for the demolition industry. It is built out of high quality stainless. It is manufactured in Phoenix, Arizona, and is shipped just the way you see it here. We have designed it so that the user, the end user, can put whatever handle in that they desire. What we use is a piece of 1¼ inch pipe cut to approximately 9–10 inches that then slips inside the tool head. The actual handle is a piece of 1-inch pipe, steel pipe, either sprinkler pipe, water pipe, gas line, it doesn't matter, and the length of it is optional. Some taller people use a long handle, and conversely shorter people use a shorter handle. The inch pipe is placed inside the 1¼ inch pipe. This is placed inside the tool head and then welded around the base. The weld at the base is the only weld that is required, and some people, however, can or do decide to weld it around the base of the pipe on the top of the tool head. Totally unnecessary. The weld at the base is all that's required. The 90 is used for prying, leverage. It has a sharpened cutting edge. The back end here is faced off to be used as a sledgehammer under certain circumstances. The tool is durable, and the tools that you will see in use today on this particular job site have been in use constantly for the last 12 months. Have not needed repair, and there have so far been no breakages. So, take a look at this video and you will see that the 90 is the ultimate demolition hand tool.